Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log into Kajabi courses. This is especially useful if you want to access Kajabi University and start learning through their comprehensive course library to improve your skills on the platform. Let's walk through this together. First, open your web browser and navigate to kajabi.com. Once you're on the site, you'll be prompted to log in with your Kajabi credentials. Enter your email and password to access your admin area. This is your main dashboard where you'll manage all your site activities and settings. After logging in, you'll need to make sure you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple Kajabi sites. In the top left corner of your screen, click on your site name. This allows you to select and switch between different sites you have access to, ensuring you're in the right workspace. Now, let's access the courses. Look toward the top right of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and an expanded window will appear with several options. From this menu, select the option named Kajabi University. This is Kajabi's built-in learning platform where you can access training courses designed to help you master the platform. Once you click that, you'll be directed to a new browser window. This is the Kajabi University homepage. From this page, look for and click on Access Course Library. This button opens up the full catalog of available courses, giving you access to all the training materials Kajabi offers. You'll now see a list of courses you can browse through. Take your time exploring the different topics available, whether it's about site building, marketing, product creation, or platform management. Once you've found a course that interests you and matches what you want to learn, click on Start Course. This initiates your enrollment and takes you directly into the course content. After clicking Start Course, you'll be directed to the course overview page. Here you'll see valuable information, including your progress on completed lessons, a full list of all the lessons this course offers, and details about the course author. This overview gives you a clear roadmap of what to expect and helps you track your learning journey as you work through the material. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.